Hey friend, welcome back to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all that. Today we're using Sugar Scoop beauty products. Okay. So this is our hot lemon pound cake emulsified sugar scrub. It smells so good. There's two different colors because it's a hot lemon pound cake, so I thought it would be fun to have two colors in it. Okay, now with these scrubs you do have to use them on wet skin, so that's why I'm wetting my hands, just to kind of show you how it works and how it lathers or how it scrubs, and how, you know, just to get into it, girl, just get into it. As you can see, I've already worked my way into this scrub, but the scrub scoops out pretty solid. It's not going to be like falling apart. It's not goopy, none of that. So you find that you use less product with this sort of consistency. So I'm just lathering it up in my hands so I can show y'all. This is a very moisturizing scrub. If you have dry skin, even if you don't have dry skin, you just want to stay moisturized, these type of scrubs are a good option because it does lather into like a lotion consistency versus it being oily or anything like that. So let's just get into the relaxation of the whole thing. So I'm just adding a little bit more water so you guys can see what happens when you add more water. It just depends on how wet your skin, how lotiony or creamy it gets. So I added a little drop of water and I'm just rubbing it in, and you can see that it's looking really creamy. It kind of coats my skin in like a lotion consistency along with the sugar. All right, so I'm just focusing on my cuticles because we are doing our nails today and my hands got to be popping. Okay. Alright, so this is a great shot. You guys can see the cream, the sugars. It's just the bomb. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse that off. Alright, so now that our hands are nice and soft, let's go ahead and clip our nail. So you clip any excess nail that you have, just to eliminate the amount of surface that the press-on nail has to stick to, because you want to make it less likely to lift. So the more surface the nail has to stick to, the more likely it is to lift, if you understand. So just clip away those edges. Now grab your filer. You're going to buff the top of your nail bed gently just to create a scratchy surface, because that also helps the nails stick better, or the glue stick better to your nail bed. Okay, so we'll just keep buffing it away. Now all these things are going to be in the kit that you purchased. Your glue, your alcohol pad, as well as your cuticle pusher will be in your set, girl. So everything you need is there to do it, even in the car. So I'm just going to wipe my nail beds off with the alcohol, and that's to remove any excess oil. All right, and then we're just going to push those cuticle backs because we want a natural set, and you have to push the cuticle back. That way you can place the press-on nail right underneath the cuticle to make it look as flawless as possible. Okay, so here is this gorgeous set. The name of the set that you're going to see is called Spice Cake, and this will be available on the site New Year's Day. So when that ball drops, you can go ahead and get you some, along with 22 other styles. But this is called Spice Cake. It's a gorgeous nudie coral brown, and I absolutely love it. And this is a long coffin. Okay, so this is how it comes in that envelope, the white envelope that you saw, which is here. It has the extra nails stored in it. So that's a place where you can always store your nails, store your little glue, whatever you want to do with it. It's a velvet pouch. You can use it for storage. It's so cute and convenient. So here I'm just fitting the nails to my fitting the press-ons to my nails, because I like my set to look perfect. So you see me here filing the edges, because although it looked fine when I showed you in the view, I felt it kind of spilling over my cuticle, and I don't like that. I don't like it. So I file mine to the T. To the T. Because that's how I scam people. That's how I make people think I actually sat at somebody's shop and got a full set of acrylic nails, which I didn't. No. So in the next clip, you're going to continue to see me go ahead and fit and perfect my nail before grabbing that glue to glue them down. So just drop a dot of glue in the middle and spread it all around. That way it's on each edge and in the center. And you are going to press hard. These nails have a bit of a curve, like a C curve to it. So it does arch a bit to make it look, more thicker. But you have to make sure that you do a good job placing pressure to press it. So that way your nail connects to the press-on nail, if you know what I'm saying. So just press it. So when you press the nail down, also do opposite pressure with your finger, pressing up. So you're pressing the nail down, but pressing the actual finger up. I don't know if you understand, but just apply pressures. Okay, so it's a gorgeous color, gorgeous shape. I love these nails. They feel very sturdy when you glue them on. It's very sturdy and it doesn't feel flimsy or anything like that. So I absolutely love this set. So I'm going to continue to apply pressure in these few clips and I'll be back. Alright, so this is how it looks. Now, this is kind of long for me, so I'm going to go ahead and clip mine, but I'm just showing you how it looks before I file them and do all of that. So I'm just going to clip it down a bit because this is a long coffin and I prefer a medium, but these nails can be customized, no problem. Alright, so I'm just filing the edges because I did just clip them and I didn't do a good job clipping them actually, but I clipped them. I was distracted, but I clipped them and then I just filed them and reshaped them and I was popping once again. So if you see a set that's maybe too long for you but you love the color, you can still get it and you can just cut it. Not a big deal. Alright, so here I am grabbing my body oil or body glaze. This is our Pearnilla body glaze. It smells so good and it feels even better. I'm just showing you the packaging. I'm going to go ahead and use my little sample, but this is how it looks in the packaging if you purchase from my website, which is again live January 1st. But this is my little sample of Pearnilla and my little dropper. I'm just going to put it on my hands and get my hands nice and silky and smelling great. One thing about this oil, the Pearnilla scent as well as the soft baked, it has like a base scent of vanilla, and when combined with my perfumes, girl, I smell like a snack. Okay, it smells so good with any perfume, I promise you. The Pearnilla and the soft bake, those two specifically, because I guess of that vanilla note in it. Ooh, I love it. But the oil is very moisturizing. It's made with argan oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil, and just goodness. So I'm just massaging it into my skin and just, you know, diving deep into the self-care. Diving deep into self-care. Because your body deserves dessert. That is the slogan for Sugar Scoop Beauty. Your body deserves dessert. And this is exactly what it is. Alright, so these are the nails all done. Just want to show you really closely the cuticles. They look amazing. Honestly, they look good. I got a really good press game and my nails are popping and I can't wait for you guys to get your hand on it. You may get a little sneak peek prior to January 1st. I really want to give my subbies early access to the site. So you'll see a post about it here on YouTube and stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with my life. Subscribe, okay? Thank you guys. Bye.
I'm